Tony back again with another video for you here. Got this V-Modest back again, version 2. Switched it out to the quarter pitch. So I'll leave a timestamp if you just want to see the saw running. But this is the Stihl 71 PM3. I run the 64 link stuff to modify the bar a little bit, but I have an MS-151, so not bad cut and change. I mean, I kind of prefer for pruning, really just leave a super clean finish like a handsaw, but we'll see what it does in this piece of spruce I was just cutting in the last video with the .043 3/8 low pro stuff. So it's already warmed up, so here we go. Zipping pretty good there. I know the cuts in the other video, I was cutting more of the cut through the knots, but I don't know, I think hands down that fresh quarter pitch chain just outcut that 3/8 low pro. So it is what it is. So try to get some more footage out for you guys. I'm going to switch out that piece of sugar maple and see how it does with the quarter pitch. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.